Hi, I'm me313. Welcome to week 2 and the first chapter of new material we'll be covering in this class. As a quick video, I just wanted to give you an introduction to where we're going to be going in this first section of the class. And what we're going to be doing in about the first third of the class, in the next 3 chapters, is kind of focusing on power systems. And so really you can kind of think of this as the traditional type of engine. And if you remember what an engine does, a heat engine, for example, is it turns Q's into W's. It turns disorganized energy into organized energy. And in order to overcome that second law of thermodynamics, I prefer to think of this as a temperature differential into power. It's not just a Q, but it needs to actually be 2 different thermal reservoirs. So we're going to be doing this in the first section of the class. We're going to be looking at power transitions. We're going to break it into 2 different parts in 2 different chapters. And we're going to start off with systems that use more or less air. And we'll be doing a lot of ideal gas equations and assumptions with that. And we're going to be looking at both reciprocating cycles, like this engine that I show here, looks like an automobile engine, and then kind of steady flow systems like a turbine. And we'll be doing all of that in chapter 9, but we'll be focusing on air systems. Then the second part that we've broken into is we're going to look at systems that are not ideal. We're going to be looking at things going through phase transitions, for example, boiling and condensing of water. And we'll be doing that in chapter 10. But all of those are going to be doing this Q to W type transformation where we're generating power. Then what we're going to do is we're going to reverse this whole thing and turn it around, and we're going to look at turning W's into Q's, or again, think more accurately, we're going to be turning this into power into temperature differentials. And really what that is just a refrigerator, right? You want to go ahead and make something cold. So you're going to go ahead and create a temperature differential. So we're just going to be reversing systems, and we're not going to have any reversed reciprocating systems. We're really just going to be reversing these turbine systems, but we'll be looking at both air and water in that case, and we're going to be doing that in chapter 11. So that'll be the first section of the class, about the first third of the class, the next 5 weeks, and that'll be chapters 9, 10, and 11. So, all right, I will see you in the next few weeks.